Hello viewers, welcome to Dattu's class. In this video, I'm going to show how to create your own custom styles for bibliographic in Mendeley. So let's get started. So here are my bibliographic references. You can observe that most of the references has author's name, paper title, publication information, as well as DOI. Some papers have page number, volume, and issue name, but none of them are having URL. Say you want to add a bibliographic references which must have its URL. So let us see how to create the custom bibliography so that you can accommodate your own style of referring. So here the style I am using is IEEE. Just click on it. So click on open Mendeley, and on IEEE right click and select edit styles. So it will redirect you to an online editor called as CSL editor, basically known as citation style language. So it will take some time and it will open. So now you can see the style information, inline citations, bibliographic structures, and various macros are there. So coming to style information, in the info it is showing the title as IEEE-Raghudattesh GP. So ID, each style has its own ID and a summary of the style. So if you come to bibliographic layout, it will show how the bibliographic is presented or included in your citation references. See, this bibliographic doesn't have an URL. So now let us see how to add URL to this bibliographic citation. So again you need to select the layout, then click on plus option. So here you need to select this text that is used to call macros, render variable terms, and verbatim text. So click on text, and here you need to click select. By default it is value. Now you need to select variable. So in variable, so there are different options. So what you need to include? So here I will include URL. So I will be selecting it as URL. So see guys, the paper's URL was automatically included, but see it is in continuation with DOI. We can't make the separation between DOI and URL. So what you need to go to affixes. So here in the prefix give a comma followed by space, and the URL must be preceded by, say I will give it as URL colon, and I will give a space. So you can observe URL colon space. Finally it has full stop, so I won't put suffix. Now you have created a custom style. You need to save the style. How you can save the style means go to styles, click on save style as, and give your own name. IEEE, I will give it as -URL. So it will then you need to select save. So now it shows, do you want to allow this website to open a program on your computer? Always give as allow, so that the local style will be stored and it will be included. See, style selected IEEE-Raghudattesh GP. So close. Now I will go to my Word document and I will include a reference here. So for that, next go to insert citation, and I will go to Mendeley. Here I will go for Mendeley demo and say I will select this paper. See, you can observe that it has URL. So I will click on cite. So here it is 1. Now let us see whether that has been included and according to my styles. See here guys, this paper has a DOI, volume, number, and its page, together with what we have added our custom field, that is URL. I hope this was useful. Keep subscribing to Dattu's class. Thank you. Have a nice day.